VMWare Fusion on Mac M2, Macbook Pro and Mac Intel. In today's video, you are going to learn how to install VMWare Fusion on Mac M2, Macbook Pro and Mac Intel. So let's get started. Once you need to know that inside your Mac, the installation differs slightly depending on your Mac's chip, Intel or Apple Silicon, M1 or M2. First, go to VMware official website and download the correct version. For Intel Macs, download VMware Fusion 13. As you can see, this is the website. From here, you can download VMware Fusion for Mac OS, that is 13. For Intel, for M1 or M2, choose the tech preview. For Apple Silicon, still in beta but still works well, or you may also go to techboard.com and then search for the VMware Fusion for macOS. Now all you have to do once you are in this site, just click on it, download now, and you can download several versions if you want to. After that, once it's downloaded, just hit on this download icon right here and then select the file that you have downloaded. Once downloaded, the DMG file will open and drag VMware Fusion into application. Open the app and allow any security permission and settings. Now here you can see the security and privacy option. Allow all of them and click on the open right here. Once you try to open it, then allow any permission. Just click on track this VMware Fusion and right here then click save changes. For Intel Macs, you can directly install Mac ISO files, and on M1 or M2 Macs you will need the ARM version of Windows, which you can get from Microsoft Insider Preview. Follow the on-screen setup, configure RAM or CPU settings, and you are ready to run another OS. And that's how you install VMware Fusion on Mac M2, MacBook Pro and Mac Intel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.